Have you ever tried to put a condom over your arm or other large objects, such as watermelons, to prove condoms fit everyone? As fun as this might be, let's talk about why this is misleading. One size doesn't fit all. Let's break it down. Just because a condom can stretch over a watermelon doesn't mean it fits you. I bet if you were to ask the watermelon, he'd say it's a bit too tight. Despite its name, there's actually no bone in a boner. Like the watermelon or arm, when a condom is too tight or too small, it can feel very uncomfortable to the user. Condoms that are too tight can cause instant erection loss or even create purple rings around the penis after sex. It's like putting a tight rubber band around your wrist. Now, imagine that on a penis. Some customers call this the red ring of death. On the flip side, a common problem with standard condoms is condom slippage. Yikes. Why does this happen? Well, did you know standard condoms are over 7 inches long? Too long for over 83% of condom users. Not only that, but many people also need a condom with a tighter fit. Sure, lots of people use standard condom sizes comfortably, and that's wonderful. However, many penises, maybe yours, either feel like a tightly wrapped sausage or shoes 4 sizes too big. When your condom fits right, you can finally focus on your partner and pleasure, rather than the annoying troubles of an ill-fitting condom. Everyone deserves a condom that fits and feels amazing. At myONE Condoms, we believe every penis, no matter the size, deserves a condom that is pleasurable and comfortable to wear. With myONE, you can have a perfect fit for protection and comfort. Ditch uncomfortable condoms and visit myonecondoms.com to find your perfect fitting condom today.